Halo guys, ini di Bird Paradise Waterfall. Ini dari luarnya ya, dari atas. Suasana di Bird Paradise di waterfallnya itu ya guys, sepi-sepi karena ini di luarnya.
Be with us and meet our beautiful wings of the world. Thank you very much for joining us on our adventure and happy birthday! Bye-bye! Yeah, we are. Predators on Wings at 1 p.m. Once again, the next show we're going to have here will be Predators on Wings at 1 p.m. where you can see hawks, eagles, and vultures in action. Once again, thank you very much for being with us and have a great evening.
For your family members or your small group unless they are toddlers. 我们为大家准备了足够的午餐，所以你只需要为你自己领取自己的午餐，不需要为别人领取，除非你有幼儿。And some of you might be very excited when you walk out of the amphitheater, you forget to collect your lunch set. 如果你走出去的时候，你忘记领取你的午餐 ，Don't turn back. 不要返回 ，No go stand， 不要 go stand， just go straight to the egg splash. We've got lunch sets for you over there. 只要往前走到 egg splash 那里，还是可以领取你的午餐的。So what's going to happen right now is
entire body weight.
Wow! Another fun fact about bald eagles is that they build really huge nests. If you're wondering how big this nest can get, well, it can be up to 10 feet wide. So let me help you visualize that better. I'm going to take this stump as a marker, walk it out, and this is about 10 feet wide. It can also be
but it is not that difficult to tell them apart. So they are obviously very different in their size, colors, and even the shape of their wings. So white-bellied sea eagles like Nelson right here, they have V-shaped wings and a wedge-shaped tail.
As for the brownie guys, they have M-shaped wing with a U-shaped tail. And take a look at Sapphire, she is actually brownish. Oh, blending away from your trainer. Come on Sapphire, home is right there. Looks like someone is playing the distance. She wants a big round of applause. Let's give it up for our brownie guys, everyone. Thank you.
That each year, 2 million raptors might as far as Africa. No, but that is a perilous journey, and many of them never make it to their destination. Let me tell you about the next program. So right here at Sky Amphitheater at 2:30 p.m. we have Wings of the World, where you get to catch parrots, hornbills, and even flamingos. So don't forget to catch them, alright? With that, you guys have been a lovely audience. Continue to have a wonderful.
Good to see you. You gotta see from here.
Oke, ini kita sudah jalan di area ini, air terjun yang kedua di dalam lagi ya teman-teman, dengan ada bunga okra. Pemandangannya sangat nyaman di mata, indah di hati.